You've been doing crunches for months. Still no abs. Want to know why? Because abs aren't built by doing more exercises. They're built by doing the right ones, the right way, consistently. Today, I'm breaking down the exact core system I use to build visible abs at home. No gym, no equipment, no gimmicks. But only if you're willing to do it properly. Your choice. First, we need to kill a myth. Abs don't come from endless crunches. They come from stability, control, and tension. And yes, diet matters, but we'll get there. Your core's job isn't just to bend your spine. It's to resist movement, transfer force, and keep you stable. So this workout trains your abs the way they're actually meant to work. 5 exercises, same order, progressed over time. Simple, not easy. Exercise 1. Plank, the foundation. The exercise that separates the talkers from the walkers. Week 1, you might shake like a chihuahua in a thunderstorm. That's fine. That's expected. Get on your forearms, keep your body straight as a board. Not sagging like a hammock, not up like you're doing yoga. Squeeze everything. Your glutes, your core, even your face if it helps. This builds the stability every other abdominal exercise depends on. No stability? No abs. Exercise 2. Dead bug. Sounds weird, looks weird, works like magic. Lie on your back. Arms straight up, knees bent at 90 degrees. Now lower opposite arm and leg while keeping your lower back glued to the floor. That's the key. Your back doesn't arch. The moment your back arches, the exercise is over. If this feels easy, you're doing it wrong. Exercise 3. Bicycle crunches. Welcome to a bleak town. Population, you and shredded gains. This hits the sides of your core. You know, the love handle storage facility. Lie down. Hands behind your head. Not pulling on your neck like you're trying to rip your own head off. Bring opposite elbow to opposite knee. Extend the other leg. Twist your torso. Control it. This isn't a seizure competition. The slower you go, the harder it is. That's the point. Exercise 4. Leg raises. Lower abs. The final boss. The place where your pizza goes to retire. Lie flat, hands under your butt for support. Lift your legs straight up, then lower them down, slow. Slow. Don't let your heels touch the ground. The floor is lava. The floor is failure. If you swing your legs, you're cheating yourself. Exercise 5. Mountain climbers. Cardio meets core. The exercise that makes you question all your life choices. Get in a plank position. Drive your knees to your chest, alternating fast. Keep your hips down. You're climbing a mountain, not twerking at a concert. This gets your heart rate up and torches calories while working your core. It's efficient. It's horrible. It works. The 30-day structure. Now, here's how this actually works. Week 1, days 1 to 7. The foundation. Do all 5 exercises 3 times through. Rest 60 seconds between rounds. It'll take 15 to 20 minutes. You'll be sore. You'll want to quit. Don't. This is where most people fail. Push through. Week 2, days 8 to 14. The burn. Same 5 exercises, 4 rounds. Rest 45 seconds between rounds. Your body is adapting. You're getting stronger. The reps went up. You can handle it. Week 3, days 15 to 21. The breaking point. 5 rounds now. Rest 30 seconds between rounds. This is where the magic happens. This is where your abs start showing up. This is also where your mind tries to convince you to quit. Ignore it. Week 4, days 22 to 30. The finish line. 6 rounds. Rest 30 seconds between rounds. Maximum reps on everything. This is where you prove you're not the same person who started this journey. Give everything you have left. Rest days. Take 1 every 3 to 4 days. Your muscles need recovery to grow. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. Diet. You can do this workout perfectly, but if you're eating like a raccoon in a dumpster, you won't see abs. You'll build abs, but they'll be hiding under a layer of, let's call it, insulation. Eat protein with every meal. Your muscles need it to recover. Cut the junk. If it comes in a bag and has 47 ingredients you can't pronounce, maybe skip it. Drink water. Not soda, not energy drinks. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Your abs are built while you sleep, not while you're doom scrolling at 2 a.m. You don't need a perfect diet. You need a decent one. 80-20 rule. Eat clean 80% of the time. Live your life 20% of the time. There it is. Your 30-day blueprint. 5 exercises, 4 weeks, 1 goal. This isn't complicated, it's just uncomfortable. And that's exactly why most people won't do it. But you're not most people. You're here, you're ready. You're about to find out what you're really made of. Start tomorrow, day 1. Film yourself doing a plank. See how long you last. Then film yourself on day 30. Watch yourself become someone different. Like this video if you're actually going to do the work. Subscribe to Man of Gains for more no BS fitness content. And drop a comment on day 1 so I know you started. Now stop watching videos and start building.